Welcome to the Bike Buddy Tricycle unboxing and installation video. You will need a set of pliers, a screwdriver and a wrench for the installation of the tricycle. In this video, we will show you how to assemble your new tricycle. Step 1. Unpack the parts. Now unpack the parts of the tricycle from the box and you will get the following parts. A full metal frame, front wheel, rear wheels, handlebar, seat with seat cover, front storage basket, rear storage basket, a set of mother handles having 2 rods and 1 movement wire, safety harness and a bell. Step 2. Install the rear wheels. Locate the button on the frame and press it. Attach the rear wheel securely to the frame. Repeat the same process with the other wheel by pressing the button on the opposite side of the frame. Rotate both wheels and make sure they are properly fixed and no play in the same. Step 3. Install the front wheel and handlebar. Attach the front wheel to the main frame and place the front basket on top of it. Fix the basket in such a manner that the 2 holes on the fork are visible. Now take a handlebar, press the lock and insert the handlebar in the second hole of the fork tube and check that it pops out of the hole. And then tighten the handlebar with a knob in the first hole. Step 4. Install the safety harness. Use the screwdriver for this purpose. To install the safety harness, we need to tighten the 2 bolts at the back of the seat frame. Make sure there is no play in the safety harness once the bolts are tightened. Step 5. Install the tricycle seat. Remove the flower nut. Press the button and open the footrest. The bolt is supposed to go in the second slot of the frame. Align the seat with the frame and tighten the flower nut. Step 6. Install the parental handle. Remove the nut and take off the hook plate and then insert the handle into the small tube on the frame. Now fix the hook plate on the parental handle using nut and bolt. Insert the front side of the directional rod in the front hook and back side on the parental handle and tighten the nut. Now take a push handle and locate the lock button on the handle and press it down and insert it into the second hole of the pipe and tighten it in the first hole by a knob. Step 7. Install the back storage basket. Remove the knob and then align the basket with the frame and put the knob and screw it tightly. Step 8. Install the tricycle bell. Lastly, fix the bell on the handlebar and tighten the screw. Congratulations! You have successfully assembled your bike buddy tricycle. Happy pedaling!